As educators, part of our work is to translate our high hopes for students into concrete actions. When we start with the end goal in mind, not a moment is wasted in our classrooms. In this guide for teachers, we'll explore how CC's unit planner makes backwards planning easier than ever. As a bit of pre-work, this guide assumes that you've already created an account and that you've set up your first plan book. If you haven't done that, take a look at our CC for Teachers video on plan book setup. Okay, let's get started. In this guide for teachers, we'll focus on how to create units and stay on pace. We'll also look at how to build out unit plans with standards and much needed materials, as well as how to view your units and lessons side by side so your daily planning will be informed by your overarching unit goals. So, here's how you can start creating your first unit in 3 easy steps. Step 1. From your plan book, click Unit Timeline. Then, for step 2, on the left side where it says Units, click Add. And the third step, choose the start date on the calendar and extend the length of the unit by dragging it to the right. Give it a title by clicking on the unit itself and simply typing into the title field. Next, we'll focus on how to supercharge your units with standards, essential questions, and other must-have resources. Once you've titled your units and selected the dates, it's time to build a masterpiece. Here's how it's done. From the unit timeline, click on the unit you want to build. Select Show Full Unit in Sidebar. Every unit has a built-in standards card. To add another section, click Add Card, and then choose Add Text Card. You might have a section for essential questions or enduring understandings. Don't forget to add crucial resources like assessments, student materials, or media by clicking Attach File and then uploading from Google Drive, Dropbox, or your desktop. As we've discussed, when it comes to backwards planning, every lesson is built with the end in mind. Here's how to view your unit plans side by side with your daily lessons. After you've created your first unit, click Week near the top of the screen to see the week view. Find the day and class for which you want to plan a lesson, and then click the title of the unit. You'll see this at the top of the lesson. You can now view both the daily lesson and the unit plan side by side. And there you have it. You can now use CC's unit planner to stay on pace, to create powerful units packed with standards, enduring understandings, and much needed resources and materials. And you can view your units and daily lessons side by side to ensure every lesson is purposeful and leading to your students' end-of-year goals.